Good morning. I'm on a squirrel hunt this morning, North Mississippi public land. This is one of my favorite pieces of property to hunt. Squirrel, deer, turkey, you name it. This is a beautiful place, and I'm here just a little bit early, but it won't be long and the squirrels will be coming out. I'm hunting with my trusty old Sweet 16 this morning. Browning. One of the sweetest little packing and shooting guns you have ever picked up. So I'm just blessed to be able to own one. Anyway, stick around with me and let's see if we can kill us a squirrel or two. Let's see if I got him. That sucker fell out on me. Get going. Where did he go? Get up that tree. Oh man. I was standing there. I guess that squirrel ran back up the tree. He fell out right, hit my shoulder. Let me see if I can find where he went. I don't know what happened to that rascal. The only thing I can figure is he ran up that tree and got up in a fork or something. I can't see him. He's not on the ground. Man, I hate that. First squirrel in the morning got away. I must not have hit him too good. Oh well, on to the next one. Got that one. Got that one. Big boar squirrel. My shooting is not very good today. That's why I'm working on that little duck sneak boot. This is one of the spots that I have in mind to get down in here and kill some wood ducks when the season opens. If I was a duck, if I saw a deer across well, the squirrel hunting wasn't the best. I managed to get one. Shot two more out and they ran off and got away. I did discover that some of the shells that I had were a low power, just kind of a field load instead of a game load. So maybe I was trying to stretch these shells out a little too far. Last time I was here, I was shooting these Fiochi high power number 5s. These are pheasant loads. They did a really good job opening day. I didn't video that hunt, but I killed my limit before 8 o'clock that morning. But anyway, I wanted to shoot these holes from these federal shells anyway. I wanted to get some to practice for reloading. But one squirrel, better than no squirrels, and got some intel on a good duck hole, which I already knew was there, but it was exciting to see so many ducks on that hole. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys like this video and subscribe. Killed all of one squirrel. But hey, you have days like that. It's good to be out, man. Pretty day. A little too windy really for optimal squirrel hunting. The squirrels weren't really feeding that well this morning, but it's better than sitting in the house or going to work, right? See you next time.